educational purposes only. Student permit or student driver's permit is a good for 1 year. 1 year lang siya, at least 17 years old. Non-renewable. Tapos, ang pwede mo lang i-maneho, private motor vehicle lang. Bawal mag-drive na mag-isa, pero pag may kasama ka na ng professional driver's license or professional driver's license, pwede kang magmaneho. Driver's license. Ang driver's license, ito ay privilege lamang. Pwedeng bawiin yan ng pwede yang bawiin pag nakakomit ka ng crime. Non-professional driver's license, sino bang binibigyan dito? At least 17 years old, must be holder of a student permit for a period of 30 days from the date of issuance, good for 5 years. 5 years siya, can operate a private motor vehicle only. Diba? Private motor vehicle lang ang pwede niyang imaneho. Pag sinabi nating professional driver's license, at least 18 years old, holder of a student driver's permit for a period of 5 months. Pag naka 5 months ka na, pwede ka nang kumuha ng professional driver's license. O kaya kung holder ka naman ng non-professional driver's license for a period of 4 months, pwede mo na siyang i-renew ng professional driver's license. Ang kagandahan sa professional driver's license, can operate all type of motor vehicle for a period of 5 years. Pero ngayon, may nilabas na batas na pag hindi ka nakalabag ng violation within 5 years, ang validity niya na is 10 years. Ito yung batas niya, no.